I grew up in Steele, Alabama. After school, I decided to join the armed forces. I joined when I was 17, and then I got orders to go to Vietnam. Vietnam was hostile, receiving fire, and getting shot at. I was a crew chief on an armed helicopter. I did get wounded twice. I ended up staying there for 2 years and 14 days. After I got discharged and I got home and tried to settle into a civilian life, I had problems adjusting. Things would trigger an emotion inside me, and I would have a flashback. It never left you. Never left you. You carry that with you the rest of your life, and they call it PTSD. That's just part of my life now, and I've learned to live with it the best I can, So I was going on a little hunting trip. I left the red light, and about 100 yards later, a girl pulled right out in front of me. I do remember the paramedics talking to me, and then they put me on a helicopter. When I got in a helicopter, I started having flashbacks back. After the wreck, I realized that I was going to have an attorney to help me with my expenses because my insurance company was kind of leaving me holding the bag. Well, I saw Stephen on TV, and I was really impressed with him. He came over and met me, and I thought to myself, this is pretty doggone good. You get somebody to come see you instead of you having to go to their office. Stephen really went to bat for us. He was a fighter. He was up front. He was bold. How aggressive he was with the jury, getting them to relate to our case. And I was just really surprised how great he was. I would recommend Stephen. He is on your side. He is a defender. When he takes your case, he's in 100%. He goes after it, and I appreciated that. I would definitely recommend Steve and his firm to anybody.